Hello, my name is Karen Stringer and this is Learn Swahili Now. In this segment, we look at Noun Class 6. This is simply the plural form of Noun Class 5 that we just finished talking about. Let us start. Noun Class 6 is quite easily one of the simplest noun classes you'll ever work with. It starts with a ma or a me, and it's not a living thing. It most probably belongs to this noun class. How simple is that? Can I get a yee-haw? Yee-haw! Awesome. Now let us start looking at its demonstratives, examples, and all the good stuff. So we have words like majiji for cities, maneno for words, matendo for actions, meno for teeth. As you can see, all the words begin with MA or ME. Very, very straightforward. If you remember, Noun Class 6 is simply the plural form of Noun Class 1. So the demonstratives look like this: these, higher, those, hayo, and those over there, yale. How about some examples to help you put everything together? It's important to remember that adjectives in this noun class will take up noun prefix ma. So say we are saying good or nice, which is zuri, we would say mazuri, and so on and so forth. So how would we say these buildings are tall? If you remember, the word for tall is refu. Here's your answer for you. Majengo haya ni marefu. Majengo haya ni marefu. Now, how would you say those actions are bad? Those actions are bad. Matendo hayo ni mabaya. Matendo hayo ni mabaya. In this case, the word for bad is baya, and then you attach the noun prefix ma in front of it. Matendo hayo ni mabaya. And finally, how would you say those cities over there are big? Those cities over there are big. You would say majiji yale ni makubwa. Majiji yale ni makubwa. So you can see the first syllable and the noun prefix on the adjective actually agree. Majiji makubwa. Congratulations on finishing this section, and I really hope that you now understand Noun Class 6. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.